Alright, hi guys, so this is going to be a Snapchat Q&A video. So Jonathan is sleeping, so I'm trying, hold on. Oh, I have not taken a selfie. What the heck? Hi guys, I'm filming my Snapchat Q&A today, so if I have any extra questions, go ahead and get them in. I'm going to start filming right now. Alright, so let's just jump right into this, because I've been answering Snapchats, so hopefully I have some left. I'm bad at the Snapchatting Q&A thing. Okay, so I remember that day. Alright, so the first one is by Roxy_Tyrell. She says, what are your plans for the rest of the year, YouTube wise? Well, my plans for the rest of the year is definitely, let me say, answering no on YouTube. We'll see video on Sunday. Grandma? Oh. So what are my plans for the rest of the year? For the rest of the year for YouTube, I want to hit 500,000 subscribers here on YouTube. I also want to have views. I want to do some collabs. I want to with who, because I don't know if it's going to happen, but you know, in God we trust. Yeah, so I want to do that, collabs, 500,000 subscribers, some fresh reviews. I also want to be one of those, because I am partnered with Style Hall, so I want to be one of those top Style Hall partners. I don't know if it's, you know, but that's just my goals YouTube wise. I want to get a ring light. I also want to get the Canon 7D or 70D, the one that autofocuses. I also want to get yeah, camera, ring light. Yeah, and I also want to get Final Cut Pro and learn how to use Final Cut Pro. Alright, so the next, oh, my blood cleanse. Wow, so lot. Alright, so the next one is Be True 24. Says, hey Lyric, what would you say to encourage a Christian who has lost their way and wants to restore their relationship with Christ? Thanks, love you boo. Answering no, will be live on Sunday on YouTube. And I don't say spell answering, what the flip? Answering. I don't say spell, yeah. Okay, what would I say to somebody who has lost their way? Well, what I would say is that I want to ask you who you are, and if you're a person that generally gives up, then whatever it is that I'm going to say won't take root in you. But if you are resilient by nature, I would say you work it out with God, not with the church, not with, God forbid, your pastor, your deacon, your prior mother. Work it out with God first. Because I know that even when you're uncomfortable, and you've already settled it with God, people will make you uncomfortable because people are still hurting. And when people are hurting, they expect you to apologize. It's just typical. If you hurt them, you need to apologize to them. So for those of us who are Christians and we've done things and, you know, walked away from God, or we've decided to walk away from God, you've hurt people in the church, and probably hurt people who actually looked up to you, and because of that they're going to expect an apology. And that's why most churches jump for you to apologize to the congregation, because the congregation is hurt by what you did. You really shouldn't have to, but the congregation is hurt by what you did. And I also say go by scripture. I think it's in Matthew, I can't remember, but the Bible said that if you have some issue against somebody, bring it to the person. If they're not listen, bring it to the deacon. If they're not listen, bring it to this, bring it to that, bring it to that. Then they bring it to the church. Then they just leave them up to the reprobate mind, the Bible says. So there is a season for leaving people out of your life. There's a time for you to leave people out of your life, as the Bible says. A time to kill, a time to live, a time to sow, a time to reap. There is a time for everything under the sun. There's a time. So I would say get it right with God first. And when you do feel uncomfortable, you have to remember who you are in Christ and the price he paid for you to be where you are today. You know what I mean? I'm saying, you know what I mean, as if you're right in front of me. Alright, so next is, I don't think it's a lot of questions because I was answering some. But the next is from Stacy, and she says, Oh, you are truly beautiful and an inspiration. Please do keep it up, and God bless to your and family. Alright, cool. LaFace underscore someone says, hi, my name is Sarah. Snapchat, email, in April, collab. Alright, she's asking about a collab. Ultimate Collection says, jewelry store. If you want to reach out to me, please email me. Do not send me a Snapchat. It is the most annoying thing. Do not send me a Snapchat, because I ain't got time to be going through my snaps and screenshotting things to remember. That's not email me. I've set forums on my Instagram how to reach to me. There's even now on my YouTube videos, there's an end card telling you how to reach to me, how to contact me for different areas, whether you want to book me for a wedding or a party or whatever, or if you want to book me for reviews or whatever. There's hope I'm in focus. This one girl just went off on me, cussing me about shit me. Dana Taylor says, I use MAC foundation, but it doesn't really cover my spots. Can you help me with products that help you to cover your spots? I also don't like overdoing it. Excuse me, I think people shouldn't know when I don't think people should know when I'm wearing makeup. Alright, baby, if you want to cover your spots using makeup, people are going to know that you're wearing makeup, because you don't have flawless skin. And I'm not offending you, I'm speaking as a fellow non-flawless skin person. If you're going to know you're wearing makeup, honey, the most I can tell you to do is when you use a full coverage foundation, either from even the Studio Fix is full coverage, and they have, what's it Studio Fix? Yes, Studio Fix is full coverage, and they have some stick foundation, some foundations in the pan similar to this. Is a powder, but foundations in the pan similar to this. You can use cream foundations and apply, and whenever you apply it, don't swipe, push it into your skin. Now, and when you do that, you're going to set it with powder. Now, as I've said before, if you do not have a flawless skin, meaning you have imperfections like hyperpigmentation and so forth, then we're going to know that you're wearing makeup. The only thing I can recommend is that you take Max Fix Plus, and when you're done applying everything, like your foundation, lashes, eyeshadow, everything, or if you're not wearing lashes or eyeshadow, just foundation alone, then you spray it all over your face, and that will bring your face back to normalcy, meaning it will remove the powdery, caked up foundation look. Alright, boo? Alright, so Jamaican Slims says,
the good work, you did a wonderful job, and I will continue to watch and support you. Right now, I kind of unemployed, so I can't really buy your brushes, but when we get to work, like a big you understand, you do the thing, and you're ready. I really feel like you should be on TV, so you have that personality.
aww. Honey, I am now recording on my YouTube channel. And let me know if you want me to show what you said or not, because I'm recording.
No. I just, I'm going to tell you one fun. Anyway, I haven't seen a lot of Christian YouTubers anyways. Another YouTuber that's Christian, because I don't know none. I don't know none. That would be interesting.
So I went on a little snap rant the other night. Well, it wasn't even a rant, I was just speaking my mind, and I wasn't being aggressive either. I've noticed that a lot of people who are very popular, have the millions of followers and the thousands of followers and the millions views and the thousands of views, they're not Christians. I've noticed. Now, I'm not talking somebody who has like 100,000, 200,000. I'm talking somebody who's established in the millions. We're not a step where there's hardly any Christians there, and for those are the ones who are on Instagram who are popular, they're not Christians either. Even gospel artists aren't as popular as secular artists. And I was thinking, and I was like, why is that? I mean, even my goal to reach 500,000 subscribers here on YouTube, a huge part of me saying, Simone, that's too much. You should probably go to 200,000. That's more attainable for where you are now. You know, it's easier to get to from where you are now. And I set the bar very high, you know what I mean? And let's see what God has in store for this year. But that's what I was talking about on my Snapchat about Christians and or or imprint or footprint in the fashion industry, and how meager it is, and how we're not as noticed. And I'm not saying that we should be noticed for everything and we should be of the world and all that junk. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying when you think of notoriety, a Christian person is not the first person that comes to mind. So I went on a little, just talking basical price smart. I'm not gonna price smart. And that's basically it. Hold on, let me see what this is. Alright, so that's basically it. This is very short. Snapchat Q&A. I think I had already answered like half of them, and my energy is very low in this video. I figured it like halfway in, and I'm like, why is my energy so low? But it's low in this video, and I'm sorry about that. I just have a lot on my mind. And oh, I know what it is. I woke up this morning at 2 a.m. and it is now 9:16 a.m. and I have not slept. I haven't slept, and I'm tired, and I have to finish buy a closure, make a wig for a client, because I'm making a wig for a client, and I have to get that over. Box, I never call the taxi, get that over. But yeah, that's, I don't know, that's just it basically. I guess I'll talk to you guys in the next video. I'm sorry that my energy was low. I'm sorry if this disappointed you, or that I didn't mean to, I didn't match up to expectations. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe, because we're on road to 500,000 subscribers here on YouTube. Please share, like this video, and also comment on what it is you'd want to see next, or yeah, next for a Snapchat Q&A video. You know, like, give me ideas what to ask you guys for the Snapchat Q&A. Should I have them themed, you know, stuff like that. My Snapchat is Lyric Rochester, but I'm sure I'm going to have it floating somewhere about the place. But my Snapchat is Lyric Rochester, and I'll talk to you in the next video.